Got it. Here's a 3,000 character version, shorter. Tight, still powerful. Warren Buffett once explained a simple idea most people ignore: the point where your money starts working for you. For many, that shift begins around $20,000. Not because it's a huge amount, but because of what changes after you reach it. At the start, building money feels slow and frustrating. You save a little, invest a little, but nothing seems to move. Bills, rent, and daily expenses keep pulling you back to zero. It feels like you're working hard with no results. And this is exactly where most people quit, not because they can't do it, but because they don't see progress. But what they don't realize is this is the most important stage. You're building discipline. You're learning control. You're training yourself to delay gratification. These habits don't show up in your bank account immediately, but they are the foundation of wealth. When you finally reach that first $20,000, something shifts. You're no longer starting from zero. You have a base, and that base changes everything. For the first time, your money begins to grow on its own. Even if it's small, it's real. This is where compounding begins to show. At first, it's slow and almost invisible. But over time, your money earns returns. And those returns start earning more returns. It's like a snowball, hard to push at the beginning. But once it starts rolling, it builds momentum on its own. Your mindset changes too. You stop spending without thinking. You start asking, do I really need this? Not because you're limiting yourself, but because you understand what your money can become. Every decision feels more intentional. Your confidence grows. You're no longer guessing with money. You're controlling it. You begin to think long-term. You make smarter choices. And for the first time, you feel like you're actually moving forward. But the real power isn't the $20,000. It's the habits you built to get there. Because once you've done it once, you can do it again, faster and better. This is why the journey from $20,000 to $100,000 feels completely different. Now your money is working with you, not just coming from you. This is exactly how Warren Buffett built his wealth. Through patience, consistency, and letting compounding do the work. Not overnight, not through shortcuts, but through time. Most people never reach this point because they quit too early. They want fast results. But wealth doesn't work like that. It grows slowly, then suddenly. So if you're at the beginning, feeling stuck, remember this: you're in the phase that matters most. Stay consistent. Keep going. Build that first foundation. Because once you reach it, everything changes. And when your money starts to compound, that's when your life starts to change too.